School in Idaho, a place where dreams and hopes come true. A center of knowledge, learning and fun, where students can work and be done. A place of challenge and growth, where teachers give endless support, where students learn to strive and excel, and find the courage to do well. A place of creativity and expression, where knowledge and ideas come alive. Creativity and expression dance in the air as ideas and aspirations flourish without a care. Where the future is bright and dreams take flight, a place of friendship, of love, and of light. In this place of promise, where futures take flight, friendship and love weave through each day and night. Aberdeen High School in Idaho, a shining star in the night sky. A place of learning, of growth, and of fun. A place that will always be number one.
Aberdeen High School in Idaho, a shining star in the night sky. A place of learning, of growth, and of fun. A place that will always be number one.